so today we're going to be unboxing the September Ipsy bag. I have not yet peeked into this bag. I have looked into all of my other subscription boxes. I have swatched, I have looked, I have cheated because we lost power because of a storm from Hurricane Florence. We weren't affected by Hurricane Florence. We did receive flooding. We did have problems with high winds and stuff like that, but I didn't have internet, I didn't have power, I had my subscription boxes. I'm sorry, but I haven't looked in my Ipsy bag yet. I literally have no idea what's in here. So basically, for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription. It's a beauty and makeup subscription box. So for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription bag. In each bag, you get 4 to 5 samples, and Ipsy runs $10 a month. You also get a cute bag each month. Boom, here's mine for September. You have a beauty profile, you can fill it out, you can customize it, you can review the products, and they say that the more you review the products and you give your feedback, the better that they customize the box or your bag towards you. I don't know if that's true. I literally haven't filled out my reviews in a while. I have filled out my beauty profile, but I have not filled out my reviews in quite some time. So basically, here's my bag. We have some gold detailing on the bottom of the bag, black background, white lashes, and then to match this, we have this gold ribbon and a gold zipper, and the gold ribbon says Ipsy. So I'm so excited to see what is in this bag. I really have high hopes. I really hope all of my subscription boxes this month are absolutely amazing. I'm pulling out everything now, and we're just gonna go at it, and we're gonna see what we got. We're gonna see if it's good. We're gonna see if it's bad. Who knows? So let's get into it. The first thing that I'm pulling out is this giant thingy. It says the Cream Shop Double Cleanse 2-in-1 Face Foam, Daily Cleanser and Makeup Remover, Green Tea and White Lily and Rice Water. Paraben-free, dermatologist tested, cruelty-free, brightening, made in Korea. Now, I have to say, I am so tired of receiving face scrubs and face masks and stuff like that in my subscription boxes because, like, I'm tired of it. Like, I feel like that's all I ever get. So, I was disheartened when I first saw Daily Cleanser. However, it does say makeup remover, so that leaves me not so mad and a little bit more excited. I just feel like I get these little face scrub samples and it's not even enough to cover my left leg. Like, my face is very large. I have a large face. It's no secret, but usually the samples are only enough to give me they're tiny, they're baby samples. It's only enough for 2 or 3 uses, and I don't know if it actually works for me or not. But this says a makeup remover, and I'm not mad at that because your girl has been caking it on recently. And so I'm going through a lot of soap and stuff like that. So having a washy makeup remover maybe is something different and exciting to add to my undoing, getting ready for bed routine. It says double the cleansing power, removes makeup in addition to daily buildup. Antioxidant rich green tea delivers vitamins to improve skin texture, while the mild ingredients found in rice water and white lily gently cleanse to help fade discolorations. I need that. Gentle enough for all skin types. This is a large sample. It removes makeup. I would put this in a giveaway pile if it just said daily cleanser, but it says makeup remover, so I'm going to give this a shot and see what it does for me. Yeah, I'm excited because it also says brightening, and like I said, I really need that. The next thing that I'm pulling out is a brush. Oh my god, I love getting brushes in my box. This makes me happy. Okay, so this says Luxie Detailed Tapered Blender 140. Oh my gosh, guys, it has Wonder Woman on it. Yo, I think it's Wonder Woman. Actually, please correct me if I'm wrong. I literally know nothing about superheroes or anything like that. I'm just not into that. But I would assume this says Wonder Woman because it's got 2 W's. And then I think that's the Wonder Woman logo at the top of the what is this called? I literally can't remember. Oh, the ferrule, at the top of the ferrule. So it feels painted on, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna lift very quickly. It feels like it's gonna take some wear and tear to make that paint lift because it's very flat and even with the metal on the ferrule. Yeah, so we have a detail, and this is big. In comparison to the size of my pinky, this is actually a pretty large brush. It's not something small for detail. This is really for more general you know, blending and stuff like that. So it's stiff, it feels nice. We've received a lot of brushes from Luxie in my, oh sorry guys, just kicked you. I've received a lot of brushes from Luxie in my Ipsy subscription boxes, but I'm really excited. This says Wonder Woman. It's something different and unique, and yeah, it says DC Comics and Warner Bros on the back. So I'm still gonna go with Wonder Woman. Let me know if it's a different superhero and if I'm wrong, because again, I literally don't know anything about superheroes. The next thing that I'm pulling out is a card that says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Hashtag Ipsy September 2018. It says, disrupt the system, smash the status quo, make some noise. This month's glam bag and your 5 personalized picks are here to help you stand up in the crowd, create a scene, and express your own unique beauty. That's really cool. I think off with them, I love receiving brushes, so I'm already really excited. But I'm glad that they didn't try and cheat me out and just send me a cleanser. Again, I'm really happy that that's a makeup remover, and I know I keep talking about that. I'm on to the next item, which is this. Smashbox Cosmetics Photo Finish Primerizer, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. I keep running into that word and I really don't know if I'm saying it right. It says primer and moisturizer in one. I need a moisturizer. Thank you so much for sending this my way. I don't know why I sing these things. I really don't. I'm sorry, but I'm not really, because I'm so excited I'm singing. So I have a primer and a moisturizer from Smashbox Cosmetics. Why does it have these acids in it? Why does it have hyaluronic acid and niacinamide? Can somebody please explain that to me? Like, do you know why? Can you let me know in the comment section down below? I'm just going to put a little splishy splash on the back of my hand. Okay, let's see if it has any scent. Ooh, it feels nice. It doesn't really have, ooh, it's so watery feeling. It's so slippery and fun feeling. Yeah, it doesn't really have any scent at all, which is a bonus and a pro for me because I cannot breathe around strongly scented moisturizers. So because that isn't strongly scented, I can actually use it on a daily basis, but it feels really nice. It absorbed really quickly in the back of my hand. It felt very watery when I was rubbing it in, like it was slippery and watery, but it absorbed really quickly. Okay, so we're on to the next thing, which is, I just bit my tongue. That hurt. Okay, so we're on to the Freematic bronzer from Ducue? I don't know. So this is a bronzer. It says Freematic bronzer in number 2 Sunbeam. So it's a itty bitty little pan. It's so cute. It's so small. This is such a small bronzer. I really need to get a Z palette to put in all of these samples that I get that are just in like metallic pans, because I literally will just keep it in this thing and then I never use it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch it. Okay, we're not off to a bad start. I was going to swatch it on the back of my hand and then I realized I have like gold on the back of my hand. So that's actually really, that's a pretty bronzer. And I'm sure blended out, that would look amazing on my skin. I've been applying bronzer heavily because I really feel like it kind of, I don't know, makes me look good. I like it. This is a very soft, more fall appropriate because it's not so like heavy and warm. Like I like wearing my bronzer in the summer. So yeah, I would feel like this is definitely a great transition bronzer for fall and winter where we're not all so tan and so dark. It's buttery, it's nice, it's just the pan is really small. But I mean, it's Ipsy. It's not like I just paid $21 for like this bag. It's nice. I'm having a hard time getting it to move anywhere on the back of my arm, which is weird because I don't have a primer and I don't have a moisturizer down. It literally will not go anywhere. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but I'll have to play around with it in my makeup routine and see if I like it or not. The last thing that I'm pulling out is this cute little thing that says M Princess and it has a little crown on it. And then on the back it says Pretty Petal. M Princess eyeshadow. Oh yes, I'm so excited to see what this looks like, and I love it so much. When they send us eyeshadow and a brush to go along with it, it just makes me so happy. Like, it makes me feel like complete and like they've got their stuff together. And I hate these. This is not something that makes me happy. They're so hard to get off. The little like covers that they put over top, like the what is this called? The freaking sifter thing for eyeshadows and powders and stuff like that. Okay, but I can stop complaining now because I got it off. So I'm going to shake it up and we're going to get some out and then we're going to swatch it. We're going to see if it's pretty or not. And I think it's going to be pretty because the back of it looks so pretty. Okay, I'm going to open this upside down. Oh my god. Y'all. Okay, I'm sorry, I just got done a coughing fit, but look how freaking gorgeous. It's duochrome. It's pink and gold. Do y'all see this witchcraft up here? Like, it is so pretty. Oh my god, I can't wait to make a look with that. Oh, that is so freaking pretty. I love that. That is so absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to bring it up close for you guys so you guys can see the packaging and what I just swatched in case you weren't paying attention or the camera sucks or whatever. So it's coming, I feel like in the camera it's coming up like purple and gold, but it's this like light baby, it's more of a rosy mauve color, and then this gold. And here's what the packaging looks like. This is in shade Pretty Petal. Absolutely gorgeous. I think that's one of the better eyeshadow samples I've ever received from Ipsy. So that is everything that I got in my September Ipsy. Here's everything in review in case you missed out or whatever the dealio is. No problem. So I received a cleanser and makeup remover from the Cream or the Creme shop. I received a detail taper blending brush from Luxie that is Wonder Woman themed and decorated. I received a primer and a moisturizer from Smashbox Cosmetics. I received a nice fall, kind of cooler weather appropriate bronzer from Douce, not exactly sure how to pronounce that name. And then I received this gorgeous eyeshadow powder from M Princess Eyeshadow in shade Pretty Petal. I'm in love and absolutely obsessed with this. So that is it for my unboxing of the September Ipsy bag. What was your favorite item? Are you also living for the eyeshadow? I cannot wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video.